Kia ora, it's Grant Whitbourne here again. Today we're going to be checking out a whole bunch of songs that you can learn to play on the guitar using just 3 chords. That's C, F and G. And one of the things I love most about Māori culture and our culture is the waiata, the songs. I love them, they're absolutely beautiful. So today I wanted to run you through a whole bunch of songs that you can learn to play using just C, F and G. So next time you're at a party, maybe you're just hanging out with a family, just chilling out, there's a guitar sitting in the corner, you can just look up these 3 simple chords, keep practicing them in your spare time, and you'll have a huge repertoire of Māori waiata that you can get singing. If you haven't already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay in touch and keep up to date with all the new content. Let's go check it out.